Let's talk about reducing image size. All right, so go ahead and open up an image called enormouschair.jpg, and let's go ahead and check the image size. Look in the bottom left screen, and you'll see down here your image size is about 17.5 megs. So it's quite a large image. You wouldn't want to email this image. It's pretty big. So we want to reduce this so we can email it and use it in a little bit of a quicker fashion. So let's go ahead and view our image at 100% pixels. So not for print, but pixels. So go in view 100%. So let's go ahead and do that. And you'll see this image is quite big. The text is legible, but the image has a lot of noise. It's not great quality. So usually if an image is not great quality and it's still really big, you kind of wonder what's the point in having this be such a large file. So let's go ahead and reduce the image size. We're going to go to image size next. And we're going to notice that this image is 7.5 wide by 9 inches tall, and the resolution is really high. So it's 300 dpi, which is a typical resolution for a print piece. However, I don't know why this image is such a high resolution because the quality is really poor. So let's resample this. Let's check the resample image box if you don't already have it checked, which means that width and height are linked, and you can see that here visually, but resolution is not. So that means that we can reduce the resolution but still maintain the width and height of our image. So let's go ahead and bring our resolution down about 200 to 200 pixels per inch. And you'll notice the width and height did not change. However, the size has changed quite a bit. It says right here, image size was 17.5 megs, but now we've brought it down to 7.78 megs. So just by bringing the resolution down from 300 to 200, we've reduced the image size considerably. So let's bring it down even a little bit more. Let's bring our width, let's reduce our width to 4 inches. And so now we've gone even down even smaller. We've gone from 17.5 megs to 2.21 megs by reducing our resolution and our width and height. This version is going to save, load, and print an email much quicker. So let's go ahead and click OK. And then what I want you to do next is I want you to view this image at about 200%. So go view 200. And you'll see the quality hasn't suffered that much. The letters are rougher but still legible. So this is a really good solution for reducing an image.